How to add friends in Stumble guys. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add or play with your friends in the Stumble guys. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Stumble guys app. And then once you're in the game, here you have to tap on settings first. And here in settings you have to make sure that your friend and your server region is same. So you can tap here on change and select the same server region. After you have selected, go back, then here tap on party, and here you will get two options, create party and join the party. So if your friend has created a party, enter the room code here and tap on join. If you want to create a party, you can select what type of party you want to create, normal game or custom game, and then after selecting, wait for it to create party. And then here you will get the room code, and your friend has to copy this code and paste it in their join party room here, and then tap on join, and you can then play with your friends in this Stumble guys. And so this is how you can add friends or play with your friends in Stumble guys game. Thanks for watching.